This is the newly modernized D elevator 25 at the East Wing Office Building at Allegheny General Hospital in central Northside, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This was originally an old Otis from 1958. It was then modernized by General GAL RWB in the 90s sometime, and now it was broken for a while. Now it's been modernized by Schindler 6400. O2 is locked. I'm gonna assume it's open. Okay, because O2 used to be locked with a key switch. Here, you don't know O2 then. That's like floor 2. It said 1 for a second too. That's weird. I'm not sure what's down here. I think it's the sub basement. It's a hospital. Good floor. Oh yeah, it doesn't chime anyhow. There we go up. This one finished being modernized like it just did. It took a lot shorter to mod this one than the other one. Therefore, the voice is very quiet. You can hear the Schindler gearless motor. That sounds like a 5500 motor. I believe this goes 350 feet a minute. Back on the one. It's a basic HID snap cab. This one's an interesting, tall, wide shape. Here back at one, I probably saw one I just didn't hear because it's so quiet. If you look up there, that's actually an Otis interlock. I guess Schindler must use Otis Unitech now because there's another Schindler mod. There's the one at UPMC Park had that too. Or wasn't that going to be it?